Faraday Future is working on the intersection of these problems of clean mobility and climate change on one hand, and helping people lead productive, connected lives. My name is Prashant Gulati. I am the global partner and head of strategy at Faraday Future. Faraday Future is a technology company that is building electric cars. We have operations in US and China and a production facility in Hanford, California. The FF91 is the first electric connected car in the ultra tech luxury segment. It competes with the likes of Rolls-Royce, with the likes of Maybach and Bentley. The FF91 has the driving dynamics of a sedan, the performance of a sports car, and the comfort and luxury of an SUV. The technologies involved in developing the FF91 include our industry leading propulsion system, but more importantly, our software, internet, and AI capabilities. For the next 12 to 18 months, we are very focused on the launch and success and ramp up of the FF91 from our production facility here in Hanford, California.